أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي يسر ولا تؤسر وتمم بالخير فبك نستعين آمين يا إلهي آمين ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما. Today we will be talking about lab of versioning using S3 bucket. What is version? Version in S3 bucket in AWS is that if you want to delete any your resource, then you have to take the variance of that particular object so that you can use it later on. Okay, or you want to update something, mean you have generated an application. Okay, and now you want to update it. When you will be update, then the new version of that application will be installed on your deployment platform, either it is AWS or anything else. Okay, so in AWS you will be getting the version of that particular thing, that particular application. So we will be doing here the same. We will be creating an S3 bucket. First of all, we have to create S3 bucket, and we will be uploading the objects with the enabled versioning. Okay, then we will delete the object, and we will see either we have created any object or not, or we can get the same object from the versioning. So the lab of today will be understood after performing. And we cannot get the exact idea before doing the lab. So first of all, we have to create a bucket with a disabled versioning. Go to S3. This is our AWS management console. Go to S3 and create a bucket. Create a bucket. Name of the bucket is SUHL. It should be unique. My region is App South 1. ACL disabled. I have done all the things with default, and this is versioning. It is disabled. Create bucket. Okay. Now my bucket is created. Now I have to observe the things. Uh, First of all, I want to add any object. Uh, I want to upload the object. Upload it. It is being uploaded. So our object is uploaded. Okay. Now you have to close it. Just observe this blade. Have you seen any sort of versioning here? No. Now I am going to properties, and uh, here is bucket versioning. You have to edit it and enable it. First of all, you have to understand the same thing here, that you cannot delete or disable the versioning. You can only suspend the versioning. The suspension and the disabling, there is a difference between disable and suspending. When you disable your versioning, you will be losing your all of the data or the variants which you have created already. But when you suspend, then you will be getting the same data available, but the new data variants will not be taken place. Okay, now you have to save it. Now go to your main, and you can observe that here is a new option, and you can see that there is a variance, show variance. Okay, now I have to upload. I want to upload a file here, and my file name is. I want to create a new file, a.txt, and I want to write something in it. Uh, okay, it is empty. So I have uploaded it. Close. Now you can see here you will be getting the variants of both the things in the variance format. Now if you want to delete something, delete it. So you have deleted your first original copy. Okay, but you can see it in your variants. It will be available. You can see here. Here the option will be delete marker. Mean you have deleted the original file, but you can get it back if you delete this delete marker. If I want to delete it, permanently delete. Okay. Now go to your variants, sorry, objects. You will be getting the original picture. Okay. So this is our today's lab in which what we have to do. We have created S3 bucket, uploaded an object. There was no option of versioning. Then we have to go. We had to go to properties and we enabled it. Now we went back to our bucket, uploaded objects, and see the objects blade. Explore the show variants option. We have seen it. Delete the object not permanently. You will go to objects and objects will be deleted. However, it will be shown in the variant tab, which I have seen just a little bit ago. You will see the delete marker option. Delete the marker and you will see the object will be restored, and we have restored it. To complete the lab, you have to delete all the objects in the sample object blade and the variant blade permanently. Task completed successfully. Now, what we have to do is we have to delete all our objects from our show variants. Okay. Now we have to go to show variants. Also, we have to delete all of these objects also. So after that, we will be unable to uh, restore our objects. So now my bucket is empty. Either it is in variance format or in non-variance format. You can now delete your bucket. So lab is ended. Thank you. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.